So in this Robinhood tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to buy Ethereum here on Robinhood. So once Robinhood is opened up, I want you to go to this bottom bar and select on the Explore page or the magnifying glass. Once you're here, you can either go to the top and search up Ethereum, which I will do. You can type in ETH or Ethereum. You can then select it this way, and then you're on the Ethereum page. Or if you don't want to search it up, maybe you just go to market cap right here where it's number 2. Or under volume, it's number 4 at this moment in time. So if you were to go to market cap and then see Ethereum right here and then select it, it'll bring you to the exact same screen. So if this looks good to you, you can then go to the bottom here to where it says buy and select that. Then on this page, you can type in the amount of Ethereum that you want to buy. So in this case, if I wanted to do $10, I will go ahead and press $10. It'll then show you the amount of Ethereum you're buying, the fees associated, the total cost. And if this looks good and you want to proceed, go to the bottom, swipe up to submit the order that way. So pretty simple and pretty straightforward. That is how to buy Ethereum here on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.